Hello to the team at Accent Dentistry. My name is Jeff Bradley, and I wanted to make you this video to show you some really simple things you can do to your website that will greatly impact your Google ranking. So I checked your ranking, and using the search words Bellingham Dentist, I found that you are on the top of page 7, right there. However, according to Google, 92% of people that search on Google never look past page 1. So that is a huge percentage of traffic that is not seeing you. So we need to get you bumped up in the rankings and ultimately onto page 1, which would automatically multiply times 10 at least the number of people who would see you. And here is how we can get you headed in that direction. So the very first thing Google looks at when ranking a website is the title tag. Title tags are all these blue lines of text here, and here's yours. The title tag tells Google what it is that you want to rank for. It's also telling Google that these are the very keywords or search words that you want people to use to find you with. Now, the problem I see here is that nobody searching for your services would ever even know to use your names in their search. So let me show you how critically important it is to get the right search words into your title tag. If I copy your title tag word for word as is and open up a new tab and do a new search, I'll paste it into the search bar, paste and go, watch what happens. Boom, using your title tag as it is and using these search words, your name or your listing comes up number 1 on page 1. You are the very first business that people would see on Google if they used these search words. But again, nobody searching for your services would even know to use your names in a search. So what we want to do is we want to comply with Google's format of how to put together a title tag. And what Google wants to see, and Google reads left to right, Google wants to see, number 1, the search word you're wanting to rank for, then a dash, and then the location, and the dash, and then you can put your business's name or your names at the end. So your title tag would be something like dentists dash Bellingham dash and then Franklin and Milford MA, etc., and the name of your practice. So that would comply with Google's format. And now this ties in directly with a second thing that needs to be in place in order for Google to rank you, and it's the second thing that Google looks at when trying to rank you, and that is your H1. Now the H1 is a line of text on your website that also contains the search words that you want people to use to find you with. And the H1 needs to match exactly your title tag. Now let's go back to your website. I'm going to open up this scanning tool, and we're going to come down and find that your H1 is comprehensive dental care near Milford, Franklin, and Mendon. Now, confusion issue number 1 for Google is that this H1 doesn't match your title tag at all. And confusion issue number 2 is that this title tag needs to contain the very search words or keywords that you want people to use to find you with. And nobody searching for your services is ever going to type in comprehensive dental care near Milford or etc. into their search. So this needs to be changed to match the new title tag that we want to do for you. And when that happens, Google is going to have a lot of its confusion cleared up. Currently, as things stand, Google doesn't know exactly what it is that you want to rank for, and so consequently Google doesn't know who to direct to you and will instead red flag and demote your website. So this simple fix alone would have a huge impact on your Google ranking, because it would begin to create a crystal clear channel of communication between your website and Google's algorithm. Now, in addition to this, instead of ranking simply for Bellingham dentists, we could also configure your website to rank individually for all of the different services that you offer. Sedation dentistry, dental implants, dentures, children's dentistry, tooth extractions, root canals, all of these keywords, we could search and find what the highest traffic volume keywords are for all of these services. and rank your website individually for each one of these so you could have multiple keywords that you are ranking for on Google. So if you'd like to know more about all of this and some of the other ranking factors too that I haven't been able to mention here, just reply back and let's have a quick chat about it. I would be happy to answer all your questions. That's what I do. I get businesses ranked on the page 1 of Google and ultimately into the top 3 spots, which will automatically triple or quadruple your monthly revenue, because that's how powerful it is to be on page 1 of Google. So just reply back and let me know. I look forward to talking with you, and I hope you're having a great day. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye now.